All right, good morning, room 11. It is Thursday, March 26th. So I'm going to go over what you should be doing today. So first, as usual, for writing, you will choose a option to write about under the T. Then you will answer the questions on page 8 to 9 about the world's deserts. Again, please try to refer back to the text. I believe they're asking you to like highlight or color or underline with crayon. If you don't have crayon, obviously just do the best you can with a pen or a pencil. Then your math is modeling multi-step word problems, and then if possible 20 minutes of physical activity, and then iReady reading. I know that it was rainy yesterday, which is pretty crazy. Like, I feel like it came out of nowhere and it rained quite a bit into the evening. But I was kind of excited because it just makes the air feel so nice and clean. Yesterday we were able to go grocery shopping and we got everything on our list except for yeast because we were trying to be really cool and bake our own bread, just not because we feel panicked about not being able to find any, but just because we thought it'd be a really fun activity. And we were unable to do that just because we couldn't find that part. So hopefully the next time we go grocery shopping we'll be able to snag some because we're kind of interested to see how it would go. Anyway, I'm going to find the math page that we have to do on page 15. And I'll kind of go over that with you. Ooh, sorry guys. All right, so this is something that we definitely have done before as a class. I feel like I might have given you this as a homework assignment. So this will be good review. So it says the Lopez family goes to the movies. They buy 2 adult tickets for $6 each and 3 child tickets for $4 each. Write an equation to represent how much money the family spends on movie tickets, T. So remember T, those letters in math problems, those are called our variables. So T equals, and then we gotta look at it. So remember how when we were, it was just a few weeks ago, I think, we were using parentheses to separate things. So when we were doing area and perimeter, we would use parentheses. So I'm going to use a parentheses right here. They buy 2 adult tickets for $6 each and 3 child tickets for $4 each. So I would do, since we're doing 2 adult tickets, 2 times 6. And because we need to add that with the cost of our child tickets, and we're having 3 child's tickets, and those are $4 each, it'd be 3 times 4. And now the answer key might be a little bit different, but I feel like this is how I taught it to you. So our equation now says T, tickets, equals 2 times 6 plus 3 times 4. Because like I said, we're buying 2 adult tickets for $6 and 3 kid tickets for $4. And then we just kind of do it in order. So 2 times 6 would be $12 plus, and remember how we bring it down, and then 3 times 4 is also 12. And now we have to add. So 12 plus 12 is 24. T equals 24. And we can go over number 2, and I'm not going to do the answer for you, but I will talk it over with you. So Grace earns $5 each time she walks her neighbor's dog. She walks the dog 5 times in 1 week. Then she spends $7 on a book and $9 on a building set. Write an equation to represent how much money Grace has left M. And actually this one I think I'll do with you. So when you watch the video and you go and do it yourself, my hope is that you'll kind of remember what we talked about. So $5 each time she walks her dog, she walks it 5 times a week. So that would mean $5 times 5 times a week. And then since she is spending $7 and $9, we would want to subtract from that. In order to find out how much Grace spent, we have to add $7 and $9. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve. So 5 times 5, 25, minus 7 plus 9, which is 16. And then 25 minus 16. And again, if you need to stack it on top of each other, you can do that. Just don't forget, and remember we were having some issues with that in class when people not borrowing, just trying to take 6 from 5. You always have to borrow, just like this. We're taking 10 technically away from the 20, so that just becomes a 10. And then it goes over here, 15 minus 6, which is 9. And then she has $9 left. So M equals $9. Keep a lookout because I was able to get permission from the author of A Series of Unfortunate Events to read it to you. I'm going to make that video private, however, I think, just because I don't think that they want people to be sharing it on YouTube, but I think that's the best place for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it private or unlisted, and I'm going to share that link with you on Google Classroom, so that way it's just our class that's able to view it. And it's not going to be me reading it because I'm going to read it, but I'm not going to show video of me reading it. It's just going to be the audio of me reading it, just because I don't think that you need to stare at my face for 15 minutes or however long it takes me to read it. Anyway, have a fantastic day. Miss you guys.